Hi, I'm Crystal, and today I made some cards using pattern paper. So this is a great choice if you are short on supplies or short on time. So I went back to my basket of Christmas supplies where I've gathered up all my seasonal stuff, prepared some die cuts from the dies and stamped out the stamps and got my pattern paper together. And I fished out the pattern paper, some left over from prior season, one new paper pad, and just looked through it and picked out some coordinating paper, enough for 4 cards. So then I layered up the larger sentiments. I used some dies because I had them, although I think a plain rectangle would have worked just fine in this situation. And I made these 4 cards. So I kept the little pieces of ephemera off the front. I thought that would be a little bit busy, so I just put the main sentiment, and then I made a little swipe of metallic gold acrylic paint that was a gift from Lori June over at Sarcastically 60 something. So I don't know if you saw her video recently where she was making homemade pizza, but I think we all need to head to Michigan for pizza night for sure. So these cards were super quick to put together, very easy. I think they look really nice, and this is definitely a case of letting that pattern paper do all the work. So if this is something that you would like to try, if you haven't really made cards before perhaps, or if you're looking for something quick, these pattern paper pads often have sentiments on the reverse of the two-sided paper, and that's what I'm using on the front of these cards. So putting these together was super fun, and I thank you for joining me today.